Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is almost Bachelor Monday tomorrow. I'm so excited for Peter's season. So we're gonna go out right now, go to Whole Foods, get some stuff. My friend Jasmine's coming over tomorrow to watch The Bachelor with us. So we're gonna like cook and watch the show and make drinks. It's gonna be so much fun. So I'm gonna go and get a few things for that and come back, straighten up a bit. I think I'm having coffee tonight with my friend Kayla, and I'm so excited for The Bachelor. If you guys like The Bachelor, let me know. I'm so pumped for this season. Like, I get so into it, and I finally got my boyfriend into it like last year, so it's like, it's great. We're all three gonna watch it, and it's gonna be so much fun. We came to Shake Shack. The lighting's like so bad. We got fries and chicken sandwiches before we go shopping at Whole Foods, so I need. It's Bachelor Monday. Okay, I'm so freaking pumped for this. I'm cooking right now. Jasmine is coming over in like an hour. I'm making pasta. I'll have to show you guys what it looks like. We're having cocktails, pasta. She's bringing a dessert. I don't know what it is, so I'm really excited to like see what it is. So I'm gonna go finish cooking real quick. I'll show you guys like everything after I'm done. But I got roses just because of The Bachelor. How cute are these roses? And then I have a little bar cart and I put on there, we accept this rose. I know I'm so basic, but I had to because I freaking love The Bachelor. Also, excuse my Christmas tree in the back. I really need to take that down. It's like January 6th, so that's gotta come down soon, sadly. I've got my pasta made. It looks so good. It's bow tie pasta with chicken and spinach, and I'm so ready to eat it. And then I've cooked broccolini, which is my favorite. Waiting for that to get ready. Bo is in his Bachelor shirt. We take this very seriously. This is our cool record player we got for Christmas. It's pretty snazzy, I'd say.
I dig it.
Got fire. It's being started. Well, it's starting. The Bachelor about to come on. I made a little cheese board thing. I like that cheese better than that one. That one has a weird aftertaste.
I'm cool with that.
And then I've got some bread. I'm toasting some rosemary sourdough bread. Looks really good. We love The Bachelor. So I'm wearing this new shirt from All Darling. It literally says All Darling. And then this really cute fuzzy pink jacket. It's also from there, so you guys should go check out their stuff because I love it so much. Guys, Jasmine brought the cutest cupcakes ever. Thank you, thank you. We're watching Peter, and so far it's pretty good.
It's so good.
It is.
A little embarrassing, but good.
A little bit. So yeah, we're gonna go eat our cupcakes and finish the show. I've got my coffee. It's crazy windy outside. Of course you can't really tell, but the noise of the wind woke me up, and it was storming all night. It doesn't look stable at all. No thanks, not by my window. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm shooting today. My shoes for Shoe Dazzle, I'll show them to you. So this is the look for today. These shoes are so cool. I really like them. And the dress is from All Darling. Kind of have the best boyfriend ever. He shot my photos, which is really nice of him. And he brought me coffee. It's an iced honey latte with almond milk with not too much of the sweetener, so it's really good. I'm about to upload and edit these photos, and then we're gonna go, I think, to Trader Joe's and to get some groceries, and we're gonna go out tonight to some pizza place that he's been wanting to go to, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill, but we have a lot of stuff to do today to get done, so. But I love this dress, and I love these shoes. Best boyfriend in the world.
That's an understatement.
You're so rude. This is what I have to deal with every day.
Every day.
But it's okay, I enjoy it. I love you. Okay, so we're going to eat lunch at Tropical Smoothie Cafe. I've never had it, although We had a place back home called Tropical Smoothie, and I don't know if it's the same place or not. I don't think it is, but but I don't know, it's random. So we're gonna go eat lunch and then go to Walgreens. I've got to go get my disposable camera developed. Bo said he had a confession that I should turn the camera on, but I'm not quite sure what this is.
Don't say that. We'll just go straight to this.
Okay.
How's it work the other day?
Mm-hmm.
This girl came in.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Girl Scout.
Mm-hmm.
Bought some cookies.
What? Where are they?
Oh, I mean, I ordered them, but she's gonna come and drop them off.
Like cookies for us?
I mean, I guess you can have some, but
Are they the mint?
yeah.
I hate you. They're definitely half mine.
And the Samoas.
Those are my other favorites. Shut up.
I should've got 2 boxes
Why
of
wouldn't
each.
you tell me? When did this happen?
Yesterday?
When is she coming back?
I don't know.
Are they expensive?
No?
Really? How much?
$3.50 a box.
Oh my god, this is amazing. You better share them with me. I'm not kidding.
I should've got 2 boxes of each.
Well, if she comes back. You can always...
No, but that's the thing. Like, she comes, she orders them, and she comes back, and then I pay for them and drop them off.
Okay, let's go eat. We're thrift shopping.
Thrift shopping.
Thrift shopping.
It's a little big.
That's alright.
Just in the small section.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go out right now. And me and Bo are literally almost like in the same outfit. We're very color coordinated. Look how pretty the sunset is. Oh my gosh. We got our pizza. It's called, what's it called? The vodka pizza. It looks so good. So we just got back home from dinner. The pizza was so good. It was very similar to like a margarita pizza, but a little bit different. But we went to Kittenish, and I want to show you guys what I got because it's so cute. So this is the set that I got from Kittenish. It's just these like joggers with this really cute like cropped sweatshirt, and it's like the prettiest color. It's like a pinky purple, and I just love it so much, and it's so comfortable, cozy. I'm literally gonna live in this the rest of January. Just gonna take my makeup off. I think we're gonna watch The Office. Like, I never liked that show. I thought it was so weird, and then Bo literally kept harassing me to watch it, and so I'm finally watching it with him, and I actually really like it. So I feel bad for all the times I said something bad about it, because it's actually a really funny show. So that's what I get.
That's what she said.
Oh god, you scared me. We got our groceries delivered, finally. It is so convenient and so nice. So we're gonna go put the groceries away, go finish The Office, and go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and don't forget to stay stellar. So bye.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.